How to arrange iPhone apps alphabetically. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your apps alphabetically on your iPhone. So there are different ways that you can try. So let's get started. Now, one of the simple and easiest way is that it's going to be manually doing this, which will require you to press and hold the one of the app here. And then you are going to do is edit your home screen. Under your edit your home screen, you can just go and move it around here. So just go and move it around your app, and you can just go and sort them sort out them yourself and arrange them alphabetically yourself. So it might take a time, which especially if you have a lot of app, which move us to the next way. So you can do it. You have to navigate to your setting. Under your setting, scroll down and go for the transfer or reset your iPhone. So go for your general option, scroll down and go for the transfer or reset your iPhone. Under here, just go and click on your reset option and just go for the reset home screen. And you have to reset now. When you do this, it will not delete any of your data. It will reset the default home screen layout. And you can see here, downloaded apps will appear alphabetically after the first home screen, and app folders will be removed hidden. Apps will remain hidden. You can see that. So those are going to be some of the things that are going to happen. So when you reset it. Now the main app Now the main app that comes with it are going to be on the very first page. And a little bit on the second page, every other app that you have downloaded will appear alphabetically. So you have to just click on the reset home screen. And after that, here you will find the all on the alphabetical order. So when you come to the original, so here on the first page, some are on the second page, and then every other app start to go in alphabetically, as you can see here. You can see here like this. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.